Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for making your way for what should be a very exciting and also historic, not just the real estate skyline of Dubai, but also the world of cricket. Two Afghan power horses joining. Let me formally get this started by welcoming on stage Mr. Murtaza Hashmi, the CEO and founder of MH Developers, and also the man of the moment who we've all been waiting for, Rashid Khan. Please put your hands together. The youngest ever to captain a one-day international side, an inspiration for everybody to follow cricket with passion.
At MH Developers, our journey is driven by passion, not just build exceptional properties, but to shape communities that inspires. And today is a proud milestone for us that we welcome Mr. Rashid Khan to our family, a true global icon, a great cricketer. So we welcome him to joining MH Developers family. Thank you, Rashid Khan, to be our brand ambassador.
I am Rashid Khan and I am proud to be the brand ambassador of MH Real Estate.
For me, I think the best way to invest is a property. Dubai has given us so much of great opportunity. Then, investing in Dubai, that gives me the best idea to live here, to invest in, to grow bigger and bigger. I think, Murtaza especially has helped me a lot and given me all the best opportunity where I could get bigger and better, and hopefully we keep that continuing. I like Murtaza as well, where I have seen his vision, his passion for this and his consistency. I feel that made me, to be associated with him and to be someone more involved in this department. It made my life so easy and it given me the best opportunity what I can do for myself in future. Having people around you like Murtaza, which makes it easier for you to invest in the best places, it just becomes bigger and bigger and better and better by year and by year.
I trust MH Real Estate. So should you. Habibi, let's invest in Dubai.